Hey YouTube fans, people of the interwebs, it's me, Sam with SG1. I'm just stood outside my house and I can hear a strange noise. It's like a machinery kind of drilling kind of noise, and it keeps getting louder and then real quiet. It's strange. Listen. I'm not exactly sure what can cause that sort of noise, but it sounds like some kind of machinery. I know that much. It sounds like a... There's also an aircraft noise in the air, and that could just be might be coincidental. The fact there's an aircraft in the air. There you go, look, it's getting louder. Now, I'm not sure if it's some kind of an alarm, but it's just bizarre. It really is. I mean, I thought somebody had an airdryer on in the house earlier on. I mean, it's been going on at least 45 minutes. So I don't know if it's some kind of an alarm somewhere, or it's... But it keeps getting louder, as if it's flying overhead and getting quieter, as if it's flying back. You know, back to where it started from. It's ever so strange. I mean, I can't see anything to suggest anything would be flying, but I've not had a... I mean, I'm no expert on it. Well, I know what an aircraft should sound like, because my house is pretty much underneath the flight path for Humberside Airport, so I know what bloody planes sound like coming into land. It is rather strange, I must admit. That's it. See, I'm in my back garden. That is my kitchen, right? And I'm sort of, the noise is, there you go. It's got real loud again. And the noise is coming from, so if that's my kitchen there, the noise is coming from that kind of direction. I mean, it ain't going to pick up anything on this camera anyway, but I just thought I'd sort of capture it in case it's some kind of weirdness. So, yeah. Well, what I'll do is I'll investigate further and then get back to you. Well, I shall catch you all later if I'm still here. Bye.